Tusks reveal. Narwhal tusks can grow up to 10 feet long, serving both as sensory organs and status symbols among males. Deep divers. Narwhals can dive over 1,500 meters deep, often plunging to the depths of the Arctic Ocean in search of food. Unique diet. Their diet primarily consists of Greenland halibut, along with other fish, squid, and shrimp found in polar waters. Rare sightings. Despite their distinctive appearance, narwhals are seldom seen by humans due to their elusive Arctic habitat. Ice navigators. They possess the remarkable ability to navigate through dense pack ice with exceptional skill. Long migrations. Narwhals embark on extensive migrations, traveling thousands of kilometers between summer and winter habitats. Group living. They are highly social and typically travel in groups that can number in the dozens. Vocal creatures. Narwhals use a complex array of clicks, whistles, and knocks to communicate and navigate the icy waters. Unusual anatomy. The horn is actually an elongated tooth with sensory capability, detecting changes in the environment. Arctic dwellers. They are almost exclusively found in the frigid waters of the Canadian Arctic and Greenland. No dorsal fin. Their lack of a dorsal fin, a rare trait among whales, helps them to easily navigate undersea ice. Predators beware. Orcas and polar bears are among the few predators of narwhals, mainly targeting young or weak individuals. Sensitive tusks. Their tusks are filled with up to 10 million nerve endings, making them extraordinarily sensitive. Cultural icon. Narwhals have been a significant part of Inuit culture and economy for over 1,000 years. Lifespan mystery. Scientists estimate that narwhals can live up to 50 years, although verifying this is challenging. Calving grounds. Females return to the same, specific areas every 3 to 4 years to give birth, showing strong site fidelity. Sonar specialists. They utilize echolocation to find food and navigate through the pitch-black waters at great depths. Genetic oddities. Narwhals have very low genetic diversity, which could pose risks for their adaptability to changing environments. Mythical beings. Their tusk was once believed to be the horn of the legendary unicorn. Climate indicators. Changes in ice cover due to climate change directly impact their migration patterns and survival. Isolated populations. Some small populations are isolated to specific fjords and are particularly vulnerable to environmental changes. Limited research. Due to their remote habitat and elusive nature, comprehensive research on narwhals is relatively recent. Oxygen optimizers. During deep dives, narwhals slow their heart rate to conserve oxygen and withstand pressure changes. Thick blubber. They have a thick layer of blubber, up to 10 centimeters, which insulates them in freezing temperatures. Inuit hunting. Narwhals are legally hunted by the Inuit people for their meat and tusks, under regulated conditions. Rare twins. Twin narwhals are extremely rare, with few documented cases of twin calves. Sound sensitivity. They are sensitive to underwater noise, which can cause disturbances in their natural behaviors. Summer skylines. In summer, they can often be seen basking at the surface near Arctic shorelines. Fjord residents. They often inhabit and return to the same Arctic fjords year after year. Color changes. Calves are born grey and gradually turn white as they age, blending into the Arctic ice and snow. Unusual heart. Their heart shape is adapted to extreme diving conditions, different from other marine mammals. Tail skills. They can use their tail flukes to stun prey before eating, showcasing a unique hunting technique. Satellite tracked. Researchers use satellite tags to study their migratory routes and social structures across Arctic waters. Mysterious migrations. The exact reasons behind their migratory patterns remain largely speculative among scientists. Blood temperature. They can regulate their blood temperature to adapt to cold waters during deep dives. Icebreakers. They sometimes use their sturdy heads to break through sea ice to create breathing holes. Notable parts. Pod sizes can vary dramatically, from few individuals to groups of several hundred during migration. Conservation status. They are considered near-threatened, with changing Arctic conditions posing a significant threat. Unique genetics. They are one of the few whale species with a tooth rather than a baleen system for feeding. Ancient species. Narwhals have existed for millions of years, with little change in their physical form. Skin sensitivity. Their skin is sensitive to sunlight, which is rare for marine mammals. Freshwater visits. Occasionally, narwhals visit freshwater rivers, a behavior that is not fully understood. Fat stores. Their fat stores not only provide insulation, but also buoyancy in Arctic waters. Low birth rates. Narwhal populations have relatively low birth rates, which can impact population recovery. Infrared detection. They can detect slight variations in water temperature, aiding in their navigation and hunting. Unique vertebrae. Unlike most whales, some of their neck vertebrae are not fused, allowing for more head movement. Solitary males. Older males are often solitary or form small groups separate from larger parts. Youth socializing. Young narwhals are more playful and may engage in mock tusk fighting as part of their social development. Genetic studies. Ongoing genetic studies aim to understand how narwhals have adapted to such specialized Arctic living conditions. Vocal learning. They are capable of vocal learning, a trait that allows them to modify sounds based on their social environment.